I'm Gordon Ramsay, and this is Kitchen Nightmares! So right now I'm headed up to a restaurant. It's called Little Slice of Our Family. Smells really just god-awful right here where I'm standing. I don't know what's in store for me, but something interesting, definitely. Hi, how are you?
Gordon Ramsay.
Hi. What's up?
A few years ago, me and my wife opened up this restaurant. It was right after my father had died, and I had inherited a lot of money. I don't remember how much. And ever since then, the sales of the restaurant have been going downhill. I don't know why. I think the food is good. You do too?
Yes, it's a very good quality establishment, you know?
I'm making Gordon Ramsay a nice dish.
Come on, I'm waiting!
Does Gordon Ramsay vaguely remind you of a cat?
Yeah, a little bit.
We noticed something quite peculiar about Mr. Ramsay's behavior.
He started acting quite feline.
And it pissed me off. Okay. Hello?
Alright, so what do you got for me?
Well, today we have our famous patties.
Alright, famous, huh? Yeah?
Yeah, we were out of buns, lettuce, and tomato. Let me just pull over a book for you.
Alright, see if it's any good. Got the piece of it. Oh my god! What the f is this? It's better be better than that crappy patty I had.
This is our world famous lemonade.
Lemonade? Alright, there's nothing in here besides that hamburger mix. What?
Oh, I'm sorry. You see, we ran out of dish soap and... Honey, bring the pitcher!
Sweetie, we're all out of lemonade.
Dang it.
This is a picture of a cat.
And this is a picture of a Persian cat. As you can tell, they both have a striking resemblance to Gordon Ramsay, but this Persian cat, it looks exactly the same, like it could be his twin.
Okay, so first things first, this counter is just bloody filthy. I mean, come on, like what exactly do you do to clean up around here?
Well, every day after a long day of work, I rub it down with a dry cloth, you know, to soak up any water.
Alright, well, that's not gonna work at all. Alright, what you wanna do, you wanna take some hot water. Some hot water and a
Our suspicions have been confirmed.
Gordon Ramsay is most definitely part cat.
More specifically, part Persian cat.
Persian cat, yeah. Sweetie, do you know where the hands of this clock are?
What? What are you guys doing? You're not even at your restaurant!
We got tires.
Oh my god,
Sandwiches.
Yeah, we came
What?
with sandwiches.
What is wrong with you people? You guys have a restaurant to run and you're not even at it! Oh! Kids! Who the f are you? Kids, we gotta get out of here fast! Follow me! Whoa! Oh yeah! Oh! Yeah! Yeah!
Oh, das war ein Wildertom.
Jeremiah! Wartet, bra! Vill du ta in the pan?
Leider Isaac, Kransketskien.
Sig Valiant!